Bonjour, je m'appelle Lisa Kossi. Hello, over here.
Hello. I mean, sorry.
Okay, cool, let's go. Which one do I talk to? And right now, I'm about to show you what I brought to the show. Other than these legs, girl, but I'm gonna show you what's inside of my Lady Delight, my Dior purse. Let's show her, girl. Here we go. Pop goes the rental. Okay, so my bag's not glowing. Actually, my ring light, girl, brought this for the show, which is if I'm lighting for somebody else, this little ring light goes right here, and I'm like, go, girl. Or I can put this puppy on. Ba-bam, right there. This is the new generation. This is how you start a career. We also got my pain de chocolat. We got my other pain de chocolat. Neither one of them are chocolatines. That is the south of France. No, we are in northern France. It's pain de chocolat. I like open it up and I eat the chocolate bar out of it. I couldn't see the show without my glasses, girl. I gotta give this back to Maria Grazia. She let me borrow them for the show. Oh, I don't? Shut up. Did you get that on camera? We have that recorded? He said I could keep them. They're mine now, bitch. Sorry, that was Cardi B for just half a second. They match my blush, pink nipple dress. Thank you, Maria. Nipple, it's the celebration of women. I have two. Why not? Nipple. Then we got my invitation. How you say I did not open it, but I assumed what's inside was please come. It's so pretty, I wanted to keep it sealed. I'm literally gonna laminate it. Put a little pain de chocolat on there. Okay, my acrylic nails won't let me open my present. Hold on. Oh, there we go. Oop. Here, wait a second. Who licked this envelope? Maria herself? That's some strong spit, honey. That makes sense. She's a very strong woman, so. And the paper cuts, they're nice. Oh, wow. That's beautiful. Is that Maria's handwriting? Bing. It's not for my teeth, girl, it's for my edges. I actually use a toothbrush to comb my baby hairs. This is very practical because this was coming down the whole show and I was like, no. See? It's better. Perfect. Just in case a model got sick and I was gonna have to fill in for her, I was prepared to walk, and if I walk, I would sweat. So I brought my clinical strength deodorant with me. It is clinical strength. It is prescribed by a doctor. I actually bought this in the airport. This is the perfume that my mom wore growing up. And I would always see her spray this on, and I thought it was the most fabulous thing in the world because it said Dior on it. And now I'm here at the show. It's a full circle, baby. My room card key, come on down, honey. In case I need to write down anybody's numbers. We have a pen, just kidding, I don't know how to use pens. This generation does not know pen and paper, I'll tell you that. Speaking of women empowerment, I am very aligned, and we can talk about it comfortably. These are my organic little tampons. And no, they don't have the applicator because it's plastic, and plastic is not very good for the world. And I'm trying to make a better world. Anybody else need one? I got some extra ones. Then I have Mr. Christian Dior. Used to travel around with a piece of wood in his pocket. I actually travel around with a lot of Palo Santo myself. So this is Palo Santo, which brings positivity and goodness into your life. And it's actually a bracelet, but it didn't go with my outfit. So it's in my purse. My Dior lipstick. It's my favorite color. It is a 630 Stellar Halo Shine Treasure Star. Treasure Star. Okay, she knew she was going to a Dior show. She brought all her Dior products. That's me in the winter. That's me in the summer. It's your fault. You guys gave me a big bag, so I stuffed it. The bigger, the better. Why not? 2 pieces of gum. One for me, one for him. My relationship with my bag is a little bit like me, a little messy, but practical. I have a little bit of everything inside of me. Mostly crazy, mostly messy, which is what my bag is. That's it. Oh! Hold on a second. It's my ring. It says, listen. And I wanted to wear it, but I was like, it's not Dior, no. But it says listen, because that's all you need to do to understand each other is listen, be present. And that, my friends, is all I got. That is all my Lady Delight could hold. And the show was quite delightful, if I may say so myself. But thanks for having me, Dior.